Hey guys, it's Kevin from Concrunch TV, and here I'm at Anime North with...
The Subway Man.
Alright, Subway Man. What made you decide to cosplay Subway Man today?
Actually, I also work for Subways, and I have given them the idea like why not we make a Subway Man, and here it is today.
Okay, fair enough. And
Especially for the event.
alright, and how are you enjoying the con so far?
It's my first kind of event that I ever attend to, and I'm really enjoying it. Like I watched all of the animes, and it's really good to have actual anime character in person.
Okay, and well, I guess speaking of anime, what will be your favorite?
I really like Naruto, and One Piece, Dragon Ball Z, Kuroko no Basketball, and there are many more.
Alright, a lot of classics.
Yeah.
Alright, and where can we find you on social media if you have any?
You can go to Banmore Group, which is like the page for the company I work for, and then there you can find me.
Okay,
Dream it, make it, become it.
and eat fresh.